In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Forms in an email, all within just 5 minutes. If you've ever wanted to gather responses quickly and efficiently via email, embedding a Google form directly is a fantastic and streamlined solution. So let's dive right in. First, head over to your Google Drive. This is where you'll manage and access all your Google applications, including Google Forms. Once you're there, look for the section where you can view and access Google Apps. You'll want to click on this to get started. After you've clicked on Apps, locate the Google Forms icon. Clicking on this will direct you to the Forms interface where all your existing forms are listed, or you could create a new one if needed. Now choose the specific Google form you want to embed. This step is crucial because it ensures you're working with the correct form you intend to share via email. With your form selected, the next step involves sharing it. You'll want to look for the Share button, typically displayed prominently to make the process straightforward. Clicking this will open a panel where you can enter email addresses. Here's an important detail to keep in mind. When entering email addresses, you must always select the option allowing anyone with the link to access it. This ensures that the recipients of your email can view and complete the form without any access issues. After you've set the sharing settings, simply hit Done to finalize these settings. For more customization, consider exploring add-ons which can offer additional functionalities for your Google form. In this context, you may find the Timer plus Proctor for Google Forms Extended Forms add-on particularly useful. Navigate to the add-ons section and locate this specific feature. Once found, proceed by clicking on Configure. While configuring, there are a few options available. One such option is Share Form Invite Only, which limits form access to selected individuals. Similarly, setting it to restrict attempts to one enhances control over form responses. Remember to save these configurations after making your selections. As the final touch in your setup, you'll click on Invite, which directs you to the Extended Forms page. Here, you'll enter all the email addresses of those you wish to share the form with. Once the list is complete, the only step left is to click on Send Invitation, and your Google form is now embedded and ready to gather responses directly through emails. And there you have it, embedding a Google form in an email in just 5 minutes. Follow these steps next time you need a quick and efficient way to reach your audience through email. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips.